Good morning, all. In this session, we're going to see on automated plagiarism check and main notification system, which will works on N8N Workflow and through a Streamlit program. So to begin with the workflow, let me start with an Streamlit program. I've created a program using a Python, right, which will runs on the Streamlit, right. So this is the program have got written, and this program is I've given a Google API key of my mail ID and Gemini Flash 2.0 we have to give in as a Gemini Flash model so that it will be able to run in the system. And this program is developed on Python background with then content of details having the user's email ID, name, and domain where they belong, as well as the paper to upload an option. So that as the result of it, the user should be able to get the plagiarism report as a summary, as well as they can able to download it as a PDF. So it's like we'll begin with an stream workshop, which is a simple and a friendly Streamlit interface. The users enter their details like name, email ID, and all. I'll take you through this live demo. So this is a folder where we have to go and get in, and we have to give this command cmd and URL bar, so that it will take us to the command prompt, and that we have to give this syntax streamlit run followed by the file name. This is the task 3 which can be run using Webhook I have given here. Before that, I just want to show another one. This is the N8N Workflow, right? So this is a Webhook, and we have a code block, and the agent has been implemented. I've renamed as a black check and mailing agent. Now code and the mailing block. And the system will run through this Gemini chat model. How its work is like, as I mentioned earlier, I've created a Streamlit code here. Before executing it, I just want to call this. I want to execute this workflow. So this is a subsystem of this webhook. Here I have to click first listen for test event. Before running our Streamlit, we have to do this. Then followed by what I'll do is I'll run this Python code, right? It will be executed, and it will take us to the online black checking tool. Yes, so it's taking us, it will run in localhost. If need, we can deploy the same using a Streamlit app, right? We have option here, right? I'll tell it in upcoming videos about that. So the host is running on, and it will give us this A power plagiarism checker. The language I've preferred is only English. Now I'll give some pre-filled details here, and we can choose some other documents what we need, and we have an option here to do a plagiarism check for plagiarism. When I click it, it will give us, see, it's stating the plagiarism check is completed, and it is given the details about the document, about the blacks report, and it is giving the estimated originality of 70%. The same can be downloaded as an PDF, right? See, here is the PDF which is generated by Streamlit. The username details and about the paper and the similarity. Also, I hope you have noted, I seen it has given us that, see, the report has been notified, right? See, I'll run it again for you for sure a short. See, here the data has been collected here, right? See, earlier I was given the webhook to collect this data. As I run it, we have got a message, right? The N8N workflow, the data has been submitted to N8N workflow webhook. So that what the data I have given here in the Streamlit, right? I mean this browser, this has been transferred to our N8N workflow through this webhook. You can find here, right? The plagiarism check has been completed. The next what we do is we have a code. The purpose of this code node is to give structured data from this output of a webhook, right? So this is the subsystem of this code based on the output of the webhook, which will be fed as input to this code, and that will be readed, and based on this input we have to write a JavaScript, right? JavaScript is the here the purpose of this code is to give some structured output. So as I execute here, right, code, it will give some structured data, and that structured data will be given as an input to this mailing agent. The instruction what I've given to this mailing agent is to give a structure output mail, to generate a mail, to extract this data and to give the summary of this report which has been sent to the user. To do that, we need of this Google Gemini Chat Model, right? Before that, we have to give this API configuration. I mean, the credential has been to be given, and the flash model we have to click from this list. We have to click this 2.0 flash, right? So then, if I run this model, it will read the data of this code, and the AI agent will compute the data using this chat model, and it will be given as input to the code. The purpose of code here is to structure the data as a user convenient from the instruction received from the agent AI, right? Now we have this mailing tool. The mailing tool, the purpose is to mail the data of the user, right? So that I'll execute this code first. So it has been run successfully. So that in this Gmail we'll have this input options, and we have to draft here the message, what the mail to be sent to whom. For example, here I will give my mail ID for a sample. It can be given as an input from here, but for this video purpose I'm just giving my mail as a sample. When I click this button execute, it will be notified that that data will be mailed to our mail ID, right? So this is my mail. I'll just show you. I'm just waiting to receive a mail from N8N Workflow. That see, hope you can see here, right? So this is the mail report we have received from N8N Workflow. Fine. So this is the method how we can able to run this Streamlit code, and which is connected to the N8N Workflow through Webhook. Fine. To summarize, it is like the Streamlit for user interaction has been utilized, and N8N Workflow has been explained in the short. And it's like an AI is used for drafting a mail. As I mentioned, we are using an AI agent, and we are using a Gmail node for communication, right? So thank you for your attention. If you have any queries, you just post it in the comment section. Thank you.